La 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 la.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Facial Thunder, and I'm Paul. And here we are, and I think today we're going to unbox another one of these loot crates. Loot crates, yeah? So I'm just going to open it up here. It is June, so this is June's Loot Crate box. And look what we got here. Here it is, inside of June's Loot Crate box. Right, so there is, looks like it's a Terminator skull. Is it? Yes, it is. Cool. Isn't that cool? Cool? Yeah, that's cool. We got the magazine for every single time, I think. Yep. People wearing t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, it's the magazine. Oh look, we got a pencil case. Interesting. Cool. And a t-shirt. Got a t-shirt. Transformers on it. Killing it. Oh, what's this? What could it be? Something I don't understand. Oh, and a badge. There's something else I don't understand. I'm very sorry. And this today, well, month June 2015 is cyber. So that's the theme. That's why we got all these robot type stuff. That's to do with Terminator, I think. But I haven't yet to open it. I think it might be the chip that goes in the back in Terminator. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at this. Pretty cool. Look at that. Don't know what it is. Very sorry. Oh. What's this? Oh. Ah, yeah. The bad guy from Battlestar Galactica. It's like a shooting target thing. It's a poster. This one the same? Yeah, same. Cool. Some shooting posters from Battlestar Galactica. Ah. So we got some sort of cyber themed stickers. It's the inside of the box there. Cool. And a card. Membership card, I think. Hmm. Okay. Thanks for watching. I've been Paul, and this has been Facial Thunder opening a loot crate. See you again soon. You know what to do if you care about watching any more videos with me in them. There's liking and subscribing. Alright. See you then. Bye.